Hello! This time, pag-uusapan natin ang subtraction of similar fractions and mixed fraction without regrouping. So, meron ako ditong fraction na 5/9 minus 2/9. So, kung napapansin natin sa ating fractions, ito ay similar fractions dahil magkapareho ang kanilang denominator. Kapag ang fraction natin ay similar, madali tayong makapag-subtract. So, simple lamang ito. I-subtract lang natin yung numerator. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And copy the denominator 9. So, we now have 3/9. Since 3/9 is not in lowest term, kailangan pa natin itong i-simplify by dividing its GCF. What is the GCF of 3 and 9? So, sa aking previous tutorials, tinuro ko na doon yung tungkol sa GCF. So, the GCF of 3 and 9 is 3. I-divide natin yung kanyang GCF. So, equals 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, we now have our final answer is 1/3. Another example of subtraction of similar fraction and mixed fraction is 6 and 4/5 is a mixed fraction minus 3 and 1/5 is another mixed fraction. So, since napapansin natin na yung ating fraction ay magkapareho ang denominator, so it is called similar fractions. Kapag ganito yung fractions, pwede nating makapag-subtract ng diretso. So, simple lang. First, unahin natin ang whole number. So, 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Pag natapos na natin yung whole number, subtract naman natin ang numerator. 4 minus 1 is equals 3. And then, kopyahin lamang natin ang kanyang denominator. So, we now have 3 and 3/5. Since 3/5 is already a lowest term, so hindi na natin ito kailangan pang i-simplify dahil naka-lowest term na ang 3/5. So, yun na po yung ating final answer.